In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple Prezi-style zoom effect in PowerPoint. This is a fantastic technique that allows you to add dynamic motion to your presentations, making them more engaging and visually appealing. So, let's dive into the process and see how we can achieve this effect seamlessly. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint and start a new presentation. If you already have PowerPoint open, great. You can either create a brand new presentation or use an existing one that you'd like to add these effects to. Once that's ready, we'll be inserting a large background image or slide. Think of this as your canvas for the project. It's important to have a wide, captivating image that can easily accommodate text or other graphics without feeling cluttered. Next, add your content, shapes, text, or additional images right on top of the background. These elements are vital as they will be the focus of your zoom effect. Carefully arrange them to ensure they are both visually appealing and easy to read from a distance. This setup is crucial because each element will be highlighted, and you want to ensure your audience clearly sees the message you're conveying. Once your elements are in place, it's time to duplicate the slide for each step of your zoom effect. You might be wondering why we do this. It's because each duplicate will act as a separate stage in the zoom journey. For example, if you want to zoom in on 3 different areas, you'll need 3 duplicates. Each duplicate will help simulate movement as we apply effects. Now, on each duplicated slide, enlarge the area you wish to zoom into. This can be done by scaling or cropping. This step is essential as it allows you to isolate specific parts of your canvas that you want to draw attention to. For instance, you might want to zoom in on a section of text or a particular image, and scaling or cropping brings these details into focus. To enhance the movement between your slides, we will apply smooth transitions, such as the morph transition. The morph transition is particularly effective for this purpose because it creates the illusion of zooming and panning. It's essential to ensure the effect is smooth and engaging, and morph helps achieve this seamlessly by automatically animating the shift between slides. Finally, take some time to preview the presentation. This preview is critical as it allows you to see the Prezi-style zoom effect in action and ensure everything runs smoothly. Check for any inconsistencies or awkward transitions, and make tweaks as necessary. And that's how you create a simple Prezi zoom effect in PowerPoint. By following these steps, you can transform your presentations into visually compelling stories that captivate your audience's attention. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide useful for your next presentation project.